Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, I would like to introduce to you our beautiful, gorgeous, and lovely debutante. Let's give it a 4. Jasmine Rose Canilao Hipolito!
This is what it feels like to live. I wanna live forever. If this is
Hello,
what
Jara.
it feels like.
Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang healthy. At sana palagi ka mas kabundok. Di pangari mo, magtiis lang yung kaliwang bansa para kaya ka. Para in future mo, hindi kang kinabukasan. Sana tagumpay ka. At ang importante, may kaluan nga pong Ginoo. Bayo ka matuntun. Mga di ka, at bigising ka, pasalamat ka kay God. Pasibayo, happy birthday, my beautiful apo. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Apo Jara. May all your dreams come true. Sana matupad mo yung pangarap mo. God bless and love you. We love you.
You can make me feel like only you can make me feel like
Guys, happy birthday! HBD,
GBU.
MBTC! Happy birthday, anak. Sobrang masaya kami ngayon kasi nandito kami ngayon sa debo mo, sa pinakamahalagang araw ng arawan mo. Sana palagi kang maging masaya at maging masipag sa pag-aaral mo. Basta nandito lang kami lagi ni mami mo. Proud kami lagi sa'yo. Happy birthday.
how you make me feel. My universe is glowing. You got my heartbeat overflowing. Euphoria and bliss.
Happy birthday, Jara. Alam mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal ng daddy mo. And thank you for always making us proud. And ang wish namin, sana lagi kang healthy. Pinagpapray din namin ng kay Lord. At ayun, kung ano man yung gusto mong marating sa buhay, nandito kami ng daddy mo. Susuportahan ka namin. At ayun, happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung araw na to. Love you.
Can make me feel my universe is glowing. You got my heartbeat overflowing. Euphoria and bliss.
Happy birthday, Jara. We love you.